Hello everyone, welcome back to Best Product. In today's video, I will show you the best Hardside luggage set. If you are looking for a travel companion that is tough, waterproof, and effortless to maneuver, you are in the right place. Let's get started. Product feature: durable and waterproof. The ABS shell is tough, waterproof, and scratch-resistant. It is lightweight yet incredibly strong, perfect for protecting your belongings from rain, spills, and rough baggage handling. Sleek vertical design. The modern vertical stripe design isn't just for looks. It adds structural strength to resist high pressure and helps conceal minor scuffs, keeping your luggage looking brand new for years. 4 molded side feet. 4 sturdy molded side feet allow you to place the luggage on its side without it tipping over or touching dirty floors, a small detail that makes a huge difference in crowded waiting areas. 360-degree swivel wheels. Navigating busy terminals is effortless with smooth 360-degree swivel wheels. They glide silently in any direction, significantly reducing arm strain and making tight turns a breeze. Adjustable ergonomic handle. The sturdy 3-step telescopic handle adjusts to your height with a simple push button. It locks securely in place, offering a comfortable, non-slip grip for travelers of all sizes. Spacious, organized interior. Pack more with less stress using the roomy interior. It features reliable cross straps to secure clothes and a zippered divider to separate toiletries and documents for easy access. Low maintenance and lightweight. Designed for convenience, the ABS surface wipes clean in seconds. Its feather-light build ensures you can pack more of your own items without exceeding strict airline weight limits. Pros: superior protection comes from the hard ABS shell that deflects impacts and keeps water out. Effortless mobility happens because the wheels and handle work together for smooth movement. Stable design keeps the luggage upright and balanced with the help of the side feet. Easy organization is ensured by interior dividers that prevent your clothes from shifting. Modern aesthetic gives the luggage a professional and stylish look for any trip. Cons: rigid shape makes Hardside shells harder to fit into tight overhead bins. Scratch visibility increases over time as deeper marks can still appear on ABS. No front pockets means you must fully open the case to reach your items. Final thoughts. The Carl Home Hardside Luggage Set is a fantastic blend of durability, style, and practicality. Whether you are a frequent flyer or planning a family vacation, the lightweight design and smooth maneuverability take the hassle out of transit. It offers robust protection for your valuables without weighing you down. If you want luggage that looks great and performs even better, this set is a solid investment for your next adventure. Ready to upgrade your travel game? Check the price link in the description to snag the best deal today. Like and subscribe to Best Product for more top picks and smart buys. Thanks for watching.